What's up guys, welcome to the channel. Today we have a 2024 Toyota Tacoma in the shop, and this customer here just got the Tune M1 installed on it. This here is a long bed, so 6-foot bed, so plenty of living space inside the bed now with the camper on there. But this is in here today to get a suspension upgrade. In the front we have a Dobinsons IMS kit, and that's going to provide us with the lift that this customer wanted, and we paired that with the Icon tubular upper control arms that has the delta joints in them. This is going to ride like factory with the style bushing that Icon uses. And then for tires, the customer went with the BFG KO3s, and he decided to mount them on the factory wheels for now. He's going to be upgrading to a aftermarket wheel in the future, but this is what we got right now. This size tire is not going to have any clearance issue at all, and we haven't aligned this yet, but we're going to align it just to make sure it drives straight down the road. But working our way back here, currently no rock sliders. This one does have the premium package, so it has the 360 cameras, has the leather seats, and a bunch of goodies like these bed lights that are in the plastic caps on the bed sides of it. This camper here, this M1 camper, it doesn't look like it has the rain gutters yet on them, so I'm probably going to recommend it to him because he's just going to get dripped on. But back here we have the pass-through glass on the back side of the camper, on the cab side, so if he wanted to pass things to and from the cab into the camper, he could do that. And this little guy right here, this is the cover for the Truma heater. That's a very nice heater that's going to provide plenty of heat for inside the camper. This camper here has glass on all three sides, so both sides in the rear, and this also has the plumbing done by Tune Outdoor for the propane tank for the Truma heater. And this is the mount for the 10-pound propane tank right here. And then on the back here, like I mentioned, this has the full glass as well, so a lot of glass on here. This kind of gives a very luxurious feeling to it, and this glass is extremely dark, so unless the inside was lighter than the outside, you can't really see inside. But this one is going to be getting a Wolfbox installed as well, so we're going to be putting the camera right here, so that way not only can this customer utilize the pass-through window and see all the way through, but he'll be able to see clearly with the extra camera that will be mounting right underneath the third brake light. Lastly, in the rear for suspension, Dobinsons IMS just to match the front as well. And then for the coils that will provide us with the support for this camper is going to be the 819 coils. And then with the Dobinsons, you can choose whether you want black, red, or the teal powder coating on the coils. But you can see here the kind of the ride height and the rake for this is perfect in my opinion. And in the future, if you wanted to go to a little bit bigger size tire, he'll have plenty of room in the wheel well to do so. But if you guys have any questions at all on this build here, feel free to give us a call. I'll have our number up in the screen along with in the description as well. So if you guys are new here, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you guys next time.